diagnosis can often feel very discouraging, scary, frustrating, and a little bit confusing. So I'm here to talk a bit today about bipolar diagnoses and what you can do to treat the condition. First and foremost is you want to make sure that you've been evaluated by a medical professional, both for mental and physical health. Secondly, you want to make sure that once you've received this diagnosis, it's by an accredited psychiatrist or nurse practitioner. There's also an evaluation that needs to be completed to make sure that you're meeting the criteria of the DSM. After a diagnosis is given, what is really important is understanding the combination of medication and therapy. Those are the two clinically proven things to treat bipolar disorder in children and adults. So first and foremost is finding the right medication combination. There's many different medications out there now to treat bipolar disorder, but you also want to make sure that you're engaging in therapy. This could be psychotherapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, DBT, or a mixture of all of the above. Psychoeducation is a really important piece to a diagnosis for bipolar disorder, and not just for the patient, but for the patient's family and loved ones as well. Everyone needs to be on the same page so they understand the treatment process and ensuring success for the patient. Really important in correlation to all the different things we talked about is having a social support system, a support network, and engaging with people who understand the diagnoses, someone who can provide encouragement outside of the clinical and mental health background. Making sure that you're keeping up with your nutrition, moving your body, ensuring all of the wellness components are there is the key to success in collaboration with therapy, medication, psychoeducation, support systems. Keeping your body healthy is really important.